I'm doing a little project. Yeah, I thought you could join me. All two of you. I'm making my own shower bombs, like bath bombs, but they're shower bombs. So I found a recipe. Would you call it a recipe? Yeah. I found a recipe for it on Pinterest, which I will link below. And yeah, it's with a lot of stuff that you probably already have. And if you don't, you know, well, you know, you can make them later when we're able to leave. So, first, I'm taking a cup of cornstarch. This is from Walmart. And cornstarch is like super cheap. I've also got a wooden spoon and a plastic bowl. It said to use a wooden spoon. I don't know why, but I have one, so I'm gonna use it. But I bet if you had a metal spoon and no wooden spoon, that would probably work too. Oh. Well, I don't feel like putting that back, so we're gonna have a little bit more than a cup. So then it said to add 2 tablespoons of water. So I forgot to grab my tablespoon. Got my tablespoon, got some water. This is just tap water. It might have called for special water like filtered water or something like that. I don't know. This is tap water. We'll see if it works. 2. I was actually supposed to add the essential oil before the water. I just remembered. Oops. So we'll add them together because why not? Now that's kind of greenish. So. I've got all of these essential, I've got a bunch that I was diffusing, but now that we have our cat, I haven't been because I'm not sure how safe that is for him. So I've got all of these essential oils. I'm gonna use some lemongrass because that's my favorite. All right. It said to use 5 to 7 drops, so that's what I'm gonna put in there. 5 to 7. I'm gonna just, okay, let's see. Nothing's coming out. What's going on here? There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was about, I don't know how many that was. Probably 6-ish. And if you're feeling kind of stressed out, you could put in some oils that are good for stress relief. I think eucalyptus is good for that. So I don't think that's, I'm gonna add more water. It says to add more water until it's the right consistency. I don't really know what the right consistency is, so I'm just gonna add more water. I probably should have read the recipe and directions like more carefully. I feel like that's still not right, so I'm gonna add some more water. I feel like crumbly is the kind of texture we're going for. I'm gonna see if it's moldable. It's not moldable. Let's add more water. I feel like one recipe I saw called for coconut oil. That was probably too much. Don't really know. Ugh. I got some on my hands and I don't like the way it feels. So I just wiped it all over my pants. So that's cute. Yeah. Let's check it. Oh yeah. That's how you want it, I think. Yeah, so it looks like that. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to look like, but we'll find out, eh? So now it says to put it in one of those molds. I'm using this silicone mold. They're shaped like little ghosts. That's cute, because I got a bunch of these on clearance during Halloween. All right, so I'm just gonna push. That wasn't what I meant to say, but it works. I was gonna say put, but I'm also gonna push it a little bit. I'm gonna put some of that, whoops, made a big mess. Yeah, just gonna put it in the little ghost forms. You could also put, oh, got hair in my mouth. You can also put food coloring in it. The recipe said, you know, to do that if you wanted. It's optional. I don't have food coloring, so I'm not doing it. I filled up my little ghosts, so I gotta go get another mold. Figure that. Got some little kitty cats now. So, yeah. All right, now I filled up my kitties. I'm gonna need another one because I still have some more left. Probably could have cut this recipe in half, but I didn't, so I'll be right back. It's a good thing I have a lot of these. These are some witch hats. That's cute. All right. My pants are currently very dirty because I wiped my hands on them. Hopefully this works out because I got a lot of these now. I don't have a great feeling about it. I'm not gonna lie. Now I don't have enough, so I'm scraping it off the table because there's a lot on the table. And I'm cleaning at the same time. All right, well, I'm finished with those. I'll show you what they look like. Huh, okay, so there are my cats. Those are my ghosts. Weird. And these are my little hats. So yeah, now I'm gonna put them in the freezer for an hour and I'll check back in. Okay, it's been about an hour. Took these out of the freezer. Got cornstarch all over the freezer. And it's okay. They are not coming out the way I want them to. All right, hold on, I'll show you. All right, so yeah, let's see. These ones are packed pretty good. Let's see if I push them out. They just break apart. So that sucks. Oh, there's a clump. Maybe that would work as a something. Major fail. All right, so great news. I was able to salvage the shower melts, bombs, fizzies. So here they are. So what I had to do was, so I took them all out of the molds and I had this big powdery mess that made me very sad. And I thought I was gonna have to throw it away, but I mixed some water. I don't know, I didn't measure. I eyeballed it. More water. And also like a tablespoon to like a tablespoon and a half, hello kitten, to a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. Then I mixed all that, and then I pressed into the molds with my fingers because that got them to be more compact. So, and then I froze them for another hour. So this is how they turned out. Here's a, yes, they're kind of crumbly. This is a little kitty cat, yeah. They're crumbling all over the table. Then, oops, all right. They're still kind of crumbly. It's still a little bit of a fail. I won't lie to you. But that's what they are. I'll put in a better clip of what they look like, but yeah. Thanks so much for watching. You must be extremely bored if you made it to the end of this video, so I apologize for that. Hang in there. Hang in there. We'll get through this together. If you like some more of this fail content and some, awkwardness, I can bring you more of that. Just let me know by giving me a like and a subscribe. Yeah, so yeah, for more awkward content. All right, goodbye. Oh, yes.